Hey, this is gonna be like a very quick video, but I was so excited. I already did the unboxing, but I got a new one to the collection. It's the Jacquemus Le Ciuciu, and this is in the silver color. Like, how gorgeous. I wanted the Balenciaga bag, the tote, the one that everyone has, but I was like, I saw another YouTuber with this one on, and she was a UK YouTuber. Her name is Yvonne, and this is so gorgeous. You could dress it up or you could dress it down, and I haven't seen anything like this, especially in this color. And I had to order it off BERGDOF, GOODMAN's website, and it was $1,200, so $1,265 for it all together. And let me tell you, it came here in like a day and like 2 days, less than 2 days. I think I ordered it Sunday and today's Tuesday. I ordered it Sunday night and today's Tuesday, and it's here very quickly. But I love the chain. It has the little details. And then the chain, you can use the chain by itself or you can use this by itself. And then it has the little, you have a card holder in here. I've never seen any bag like this. Like, this is different. So that's why I wanted it. It's very different. If you know, you know. The girls get it, they get it. If not, they don't, you know. But then I could switch this out, right? So I could just do, let me fix this. I could just do this by itself without, let me take it off so you can see. Because it's easier to just show you like this. Okay, so you can do it like this. This will be cute for evening. Or you could take it off and it could be like a little clutch. It's so different. Like, I haven't seen anything like it. It also has like a little pocket here, and then it has the little tag. Let me get it out. Get the paper out, and then you could fit whatever inside. Let me see if I can fit my phone in it, actually. So this is a 13 Max Pro. It could fit. I think it could fit a few things in here. Yeah, so beautiful. Yes, you will be seeing me wear this during the summertime, because girl, this is so cute. So yeah, this is just super quick. It's not gonna be too in-depth. I had to get it off BERGDOF because Farfetch didn't have this color. I think only select places have this color, and this is the color that I felt like was different. I could kind of dress it up, dress it down. I could wear it with whatever color, because white is so basic, black is so basic. I just needed something different that will pop, especially as an evening bag or a going out bag. But yeah, I'm gonna show other clips of how I wear it. But this, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. The band is very thick. Once again, the card holder. You can kind of switch the chains. It's so nice. And it's like a metallic silver, which I love. But yeah, it's just a quick video just showing you what I add to the collection. But yeah, if you guys have this bag, please let me know if you like it or not, what color you have it in, because this is gorgeous. This might be a habit, a bag habit. Should I just continue doing bag unboxing and reviews? I should, right? But it also has, what's different, it has these two little, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a little hook. It's like a weird hook. I don't know if you guys can see it with the details on it. Can you see it? Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, but you can unclamp it. So yeah, you can unclamp it and clamp it together. I just never seen a bag like this. This is so unique, and I love it. So, just my little quick review, guys. Really love this bag. I'm gonna do another clip so you guys can see in details and what you could fit in it. But this is just a quick glimpse into this bag. This is perfect for like going out. But here's a short clip of the bag close up. It's very structured. I couldn't really open to show you guys what I can fit inside because it's very structured and tight. But just here's a clip, guys, and I hope you guys like this quick review.